So we start off today's video with this Hobby Lobby inspired DIY. I guess this is supposed to be like a coaster, I'm thinking. This is actually a really cute design idea. And this definitely seems like an easy project to replicate. Oh, okay, so they have that and then they're adding in the jewels. Oh, they're doing theirs a little bit different than how it was in the store. This is actually cuter. That's what I love about DIY projects. You can put your own twist and spin on it and make it better than what you initially saw. Yeah, that's really cute. They almost look like earrings. I'd wear earrings that look like that. So pretty. Those came out so cute, and you can use them for various different things. Such a cool idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at viral DIY project ideas and react to them. Wow, they did an absolutely phenomenal job with those West Elm camels. So cool. And then we have a vase DIY. Followed by another one. This one features like that very popular face look. Looks like they're trying to do like the stone trend. Wow, I cannot believe this person made their own patio furniture. Now that is impressive. Then we have these IKEA stools. You can get these from IKEA. I think they're in the children's section or something like that. So this person is just simply revamping them and spray painting them. Easy, simple DIY. Oh, wow. They transformed their closets. Wow. Are they using contact paper for a backsplash? Wow, what a cool idea. Oh, they make a headboard of some sort? Yeah. Okay, this looks weird the way it's like floating over the bed. Okay, they brought it back down. I was like, that looks weird. It's just sitting there floating. Oh, they spray painted the snakes gold. That's cute. So here's another look at that Hobby Lobby DIY. And what I like about this one is if you wanted to, you could spray paint this a different color. Like, I think this would look really pretty in gold. Even black, I think it would look nice. Such a cute idea. I am definitely inspired by these, and they look just so glam and gorgeous. I am in love. So next up we have this flower design, and this would be cute for like your beauty room or your dresser. Those look like real flowers to me though. Those have to be real. DIY stone vase. So we have another stone inspired vase here. I like how they repurposed their old vase and decided to make it look more modern. And then we have another floral box. This one is inspired by Tiffany. Oh, I like how they made like a little miniature variation. This is cool. Very cute. Oh, they added gold foil. Oh, that's pretty. Another floral design. See, I'm glad that I'm not the only one that likes to just decorate with flowers. I like to decorate with flowers and candles. Those are like my two main go-tos. So then we have someone washing some stones here. Oh, wow. They're spray painting them. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love how the black looks like leather with the gold. Oh, wow. That is such a pretty color combo. You could just spray paint some stones and put them in like a bowl. I think that would be pretty by itself. So she's stacking these. I don't really like them stacked. I think if you just put those, like you spray painted them and put them on a bowl. Oh, that looks cute there, I guess. Okay, yeah, this does look cute. I could see her vision now. I see it. I see it. It's definitely something different, that's for sure. So we have someone making some paintings here. Doing that like restoration hardware plaster painter look. Oh, I like the touches of black. Oh, this is creative. And then she's smudging it out. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is next level right here. She did a great job with these. You know what? I wonder how these would look with gold, like little pieces of gold foil mixed in too. Oh, that would be so pretty. Oh, we have some more artwork here. Another like gold and black design. So they used wooden pieces for that, spray painted it gold. Wow, this is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. So we have someone adding some pink pebbles, like, you know, the ones with like the little diamond accents or whatever. I don't know what these things are called. Pink diamonds. Pink pebbles. But it's pretty much like adding texture. Like, so she's adding texture to like this vase. This would be cute for Valentine's Day, actually. Or if you just liked pink. That's pretty. And if you wanted to, you can do those with clear. You can do it with clear and then spray paint it gold or black. That would be cool too. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY projects with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more DIY project ideas and reactions, you can check out this video next.